3 lessons every employee learn in career too late. Learning that their current career can give them the dream life that they want. Ang tinuro lang naman sa atin pagka-graduate is pagkatapos mong magkaroon ng trabaho, mag-ipon ka. Correct? Wala namang nagturo sa atin kung paano magpalaki ng sahod, paano umakyat ng corporate ladder. So we thought, if we're going to work for a couple of years, 3 years, 5 years, 10 years, makukuha natin yung success na gusto natin or yung freedom na inaasam natin. Kung maaga natin nalaman, dapat natutunan natin kung kailan ba tayo kailangan ng tumalon for another company. For us to take the leap of faith, not just for the income, but for the career growth na kailangan natin for us to achieve the things that we want in life. I'm not saying na kapag empleyado tayo, hindi tayo magiging successful. No. There would be opportunities na magiging CEO tayo, VP tayo, director tayo that will be successful. But there would be times na darating sa career natin na yung companies natin won't give us the dream life that we are aspiring to have. Learning that our boss is not our mentor. We'll be blessed kung yung boss natin nag-mentor sa atin. Naalala ko dati, hirap na hirap akong mag-improve sa sarili ko kasi wala nagbibigay ng feedback. After ko magtrabaho, papasok, uuwi, that's it. Wherein I'm very excited na makareceive ng feedback kung paano ba ako mag-improve, paano ba ako gagaling magsalita, paano ko ba mapapabilis yung process. Pero I'm not blaming my manager before, pero ganun talaga eh. I mean, not everybody has the gift of feedback or wisdom. That's why kung meron ka manager na tumutulong sa'yo, mini-mentor ka, sinasabihan ka sa career journey mo, so take care and love that person kasi bihira lang yan sa company or sa career natin. Learning na pwede pala ako mag-business or part-time job habang nagtatrabaho. Marami nang gumawa nito. Your full-time job or your full-time career will sustain for your needs. Then, have a part-time job or small business to provide for your wants and for your dreams. Lahat naman tayo nagsisimula sa maliit na sahod. Pero hanggang kailan ba tayo magtsatsaga sa maliit na sahod? Correct? And at the end of the day, ang makakontrol lang naman natin is yung efforts natin. So kung ikaw ay nag-aspire ng best life for yourself, for your family, you need to have another work or on top of your full-time work, which is a part-time job or small business. You may sell products, pwede ka mag-e-commerce, pwede ka mag-buy and sell ng sapatos, damit, or pwede ka mag-offer ng services mo. If photographer ka pa, videographer, video editing, may skills kang ganun, so offer those to people or clients na for sure mag-a-avail ng service mo if they trust you. Alin dito sa 3 lessons na to, ang natutunan mo na too late na? Kung kailangan mo ng advice in terms of knowing kung part-time job ka ba, small business, at wala nagbe-mentor sa'yo, message me and I'll be happy to help you.